What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Dylan, otherwise known as DJ Contour, and if you're a DJ or a producer, you've come to the right place. If you've been constantly scouring the internet and YouTube for tutorials to help build your skills, stop right now. I'm a DJ and a producer with almost 10 years experience in the music industry. Over that time, I've built my own personal techniques that I want to share with you. Every week, I want to upload new videos and tutorials about DJing, music production, beat making, and so much more. If you're ready to learn more, hit the like button and type DJ in the comments below. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're always up to date every time I post new videos. I can't wait to keep learning with you guys, and I'll catch you later.